Welcome to Allens Ebikes. My name is Dave Allen and this is a product review. Now today, very quick video. We're going to talk about a new alarm system we've got in. It's really good because not only is it alarm, but it's also a really loud horn as well. Check this out. Isn't that nice? Now, obviously you can get people out of the way, but the really cool part of this is the alarm. So you get a little key fob here. So if I lock this now, little red light appears on here to tell me I've locked it and I'm going to walk away. I hope a thief doesn't come by and try to steal my bike. But if they do, this will happen. I'll pretend to go, well, I will go away. Right, I'm off now. Bye-bye. Wow, see? That's how it, look, he's gone away. Maybe he's going to try his chance again. So there you have it, the alarm here at Allens Ebike. It's a loud hooter, really loud alarm, $59.99. Get your one today. Bye.